Let's unlock the hidden treasures of the Aaronic blessing. Yevarechecha Adonai Veishmerecha, yaer Adonai Panav lecha, vihuneka. Adonai Panav lecha, veyasem lecha, shalom. This is the priestly blessing given to Aaron to bless Israel once a day after day temple sacrifice. It is divided into 3 portions of ever-growing grace: an earthly blessing, a spiritual blessing, and a saving blessing that brings us peace with Adonai. To understand this, we must first define a few things. Grace is defined as an undeserved favor. That is, it is receiving something that we do not deserve. Picture this: a cop pulls you over for speeding, but lets you go with a warning. Is that grace? Not really. He has shown you mercy. To be considered grace, in addition to not giving you just punishment, the cop would need to give you a gift instead. Next, we need to learn that the Hebrew gematria for grace is 5. This is relevant because the blessing is progressive in the grace given. Each line has a growing number of words and letters in multiples of 5. The first blessing is a 3-word blessing that contains 15 letters. The second is made up of 5 words and 20 letters. And lastly, the third blessing has 7 words and a total of 25 letters. Grace upon grace. In today's video, we will explore the first blessing, the earthly blessing, which states, "May Adonai bless you and keep you." Seems redundant, doesn't it? Why bless and keep? This is a general prosperity blessing. It is directly tied to earthly wealth and physical well-being. The distinction between blessing and keeping is made for a few reasons. The blessing is connected to receiving what you need and desire, and the keeping is connected to protecting your blessing after it is received. Earthly blessings are in constant threat from foes. It may be a natural disaster, a personal attack, or even health problems. No matter what you have received today, it can easily be gone tomorrow. When you rest in His shadow, not only does He help you prosper, but He also helps you keep what you have already received. And that is the prayer or blessing being spoken over you by the high priest. There's a deep and hidden gem in this verse as well. Often, the biggest enemy or threat to our blessing is within us. The portion of keeping the blessing is largely dependent on us. Adonai may often keep us from our own pride in success, and wealth can become a stumbling block that causes us to forget the Almighty. The solution is given in Deuteronomy chapter 8, verses 10 through 14.
When you have eaten your fill, be sure to praise the Lord your God for the good land He has given you. But that is the time to be careful. Beware that in your plenty you do not forget the Lord your God and disobey His commands, regulations, and decrees that I am giving you today. For when you have become full and prosperous and have built fine homes to live in, and when your flocks and herds have become very large and your silver and gold have multiplied along with everything else, be careful. Do not become proud at that time and forget the Lord your God, who rescued you from slavery in the land of Egypt.
The main reason we are told to give back offerings to Adonai is not because He needs wealth or sacrifice. It is a reminder of the source and keeper of our blessings. So may He bless you and keep you today and always. In part 2, we will discuss the spiritual blessing from this prayer. Till then, shalom and lehitraot. Come learn the Holy Tongue with us at Teshuva Bible Studies.